In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning design using Google Docs. To get started, let's first navigate to Google Docs and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to start a new document. You can do this by clicking on plus blank document or choosing a ready-made design from the template gallery. With your new document open, head over to the File menu on the top left of your screen, click on it, and then proceed to select Page Setup. This section allows you to personalize the layout of your document. You have the choice between a portrait or landscape orientation, depending on how you'd like your final document to appear. Additionally, you can modify the margins here, reducing them to about 0.5 inches can offer more design space, giving your content room to breathe and allowing for a more expansive layout. Once you're satisfied with these settings, simply click OK to confirm. Now let's add some design elements. Click on Insert at the top of the page and select Building Blocks. This is a neat feature where you can access pre-designed layouts to give your document a professional look effortlessly. By clicking on View More, you can browse through different styles and layouts, perfect for a quick and polished start. If you're designing a flyer, choose a flyer style block. This will offer a solid design base that you can customize further. To do this, go back to Insert, and this time select Drawing followed by New. The drawing interface allows you to add text boxes, shapes, or banners, ideal for creating eye-catching headlines. Play around with the bold fonts, different colors, and alignments to make your text stand out. After you've added all your text and design elements, click Save and Close to insert your drawing into the document. Now let's enhance your document with some visuals. Return to Insert and choose Image. Here you can either upload images from your device or use the Search the Web feature to find suitable images. You can resize and reposition these images directly in the document to perfectly fit your layout. The next customization step is to work on colors and fonts. Highlight the text you'd like to change, then head to the toolbar to explore custom font styles. Applying brand colors or adding highlights can truly make your document visually engaging and unique. Once you've completed all your fabulous designs and customizations, it's time to save your work. Go to the File menu once more, this time choosing Download. For a quality final product that's easy to share and print, select the PDF document PDF option. This format maintains the integrity of your design, ensuring it looks just as good on paper as it does on screen. And there you have it, your very own beautifully designed document using Google Docs. Enjoy creating and impressing your audience with this simple yet effective tool.